Title: NexiGo Aurora Pro Bundle Review. Did you know that the home theater market is projected to reach over $30 billion by 2025? Crazy, right? So, have you ever dreamed of taking your home entertainment setup to the next level? Well, stick around because today we're diving into something that might just be the future of home theater. Introduction: looking for the ultimate home theater experience? The NexiGo Aurora Pro Bundle, featuring the ultra-short throw 4K tricolor laser TV, is a game-changer in home entertainment. This cutting-edge system delivers a stunningly vibrant 4K resolution on a massive 100-inch Fresnel screen, providing an immersive, cinema-quality experience right in your living room. Whether you're a movie buff or a gaming enthusiast, the Aurora Pro Bundle is designed to elevate your viewing experience to new heights. What sets this bundle apart is the ultra-short throw technology, allowing you to project a crisp, colorful image from just a few inches away from the wall. Say goodbye to bulky TVs and complicated setups. The NexiGo Aurora Pro makes it easy to enjoy top-tier entertainment without sacrificing space. The tricolor laser projection offers a broader color spectrum than traditional TVs, ensuring that every scene is rich in detail and lifelike hues. The bundle also includes 2 DLP Link 3D glasses, allowing you to dive into 3D movies and content with friends or family. Whether you're watching the latest blockbuster, streaming your favorite series, or gaming in vivid 4K, the NexiGo Aurora Pro Bundle ensures you never miss a beat. With a sleek, modern design and advanced features, this system is perfect for anyone looking to bring the magic of the theater into their home. NexiGo Aurora Pro Bundle Review. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the NexiGo Aurora Pro Bundle. This bad boy has been making waves in the home theater community, and for good reason. With its innovative features and sleek design, it's turning heads and raising the bar for what we can expect from our home entertainment systems. Challenge. Now, let's talk about some of the common headaches that home theater enthusiasts face. First off, space constraints can be a huge issue. Not everyone has a dedicated room for a theater setup, and let's be honest, some setups can take up a ton of room. Then there's the complexity of getting things to work together smoothly. You've got your TV, sound system, streaming devices, and maybe even a gaming console. It can feel like a puzzle that's missing pieces. And don't even get me started on audiovisual quality. We all want that cinema-like experience at home, but achieving it can be a real challenge. So, what's the solution? Development. Enter the NexiGo Aurora Pro Bundle. This bundle aims to tackle these issues head-on. First off, let's talk design. It's compact and stylish, so it fits right into your living room without looking like an eyesore. The setup is super user-friendly, which is a game-changer. You won't have to spend hours trying to figure out how to connect everything. With the Aurora Pro, you're getting high-quality audio and visuals without the complicated installation process. Plus, it offers a variety of connectivity options, so whether you're streaming your favorite show or gaming with friends, you can do it all seamlessly. And guess what? It comes with an incredible projector, can turn any wall into a cinematic experience. I mean, who wouldn't want that? Climax now, let's get to the standout feature that really sets the NexiGo Aurora Pro Bundle apart. It's the advanced smart technology that adapts to your environment. That's right. This bundle has built-in sensors that adjust the image and sound quality based on your room's lighting and acoustics. Imagine being able to enjoy a perfect picture and sound no matter where you set it up. This could completely redefine the way we experience home theater. It's like having a personal home cinema technician right in your living room. Conclusion. So, to wrap it all up, the NexiGo Aurora Pro Bundle is not just another product on the market, it's a potential game-changer for home theater enthusiasts. With its sleek design, easy setup, and smart technology, it addresses all those pesky challenges we talked about earlier. If you're looking to elevate your home entertainment experience, this bundle could be exactly what you need. CTA, what do you think? Could the NexiGo Aurora Pro Bundle be the future of home theater? Or do you have other favorites? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more home theater tips and tricks, make sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Amazon. https://amazon.to/489xhfb